All right, so hey everybody, we're out here at, I don't know what you call this, Apple Air. We're out here with, hey, say hi to Gary.
Hey,
Gary.
how you doing? How are you?
Buddy taking care of me while I'm here in Australia. Used to run laser company out here, kind of gave that up. Pulse Laser Systems, they're still active out here, but he's no longer part of that. He actually has Apple Air Systems, kind of the air filtration system. So kind of checking out what he's got here, hanging out, seeing what's going on in the neighborhood. So yeah, he's got a pretty good warehouse full of stuff here. Hopefully someday, right, Gary? You're going to be shipping those to the U.S.?
Yeah,
hopefully.
Absolutely.
So we'll get to see some of those, and I'm actually going to probably pick one up at some point for some stuff I got at my shop. But if I do, I'll keep you guys posted on what it is and what's going on, how I think about it, and you know, if they do come to the U.S., maybe it'll be an option for you. They're fairly inexpensive, right? Wouldn't you say, compared to what's out there? So they got UV systems built in. What else? Ionization, electrostatic collection, stuff like that. So washable filters. So pretty good setup. Take a look at them and see what they are, and like I said, I'll let you guys know. But here, I wanted to show you guys kind of what they got here. It's pretty unique as far as what I've seen. Like I said, the prices are really good. Once I get one, like I said, I'll try it out, see what it is, and if I like it, I'll share it with you. I'll share it with you anyways. But these big units here for multiple lasers. They got ionization, they got UV filtration, tons of filters and stuff like that, and like a lot of them are washable, like the ESTAT or electrostatic filters. You got two inputs there. What are these, 6-inch?
Yeah.
You got two 6-inch
And we can put 8-inch
inputs. You can tap them for 8. Actually, they got plates on here, so I'm assuming you could take those off, put the 8-inch on there. Variable speed setup. I'm just rambling here. I don't know crap about them, but other than what I've been told so far. But just give you a little look at that. This is your biggest one, right, Gary?
Now we have bigger and bigger and bigger again.
Okay, so, but this would be sufficient for like multiple lasers. Direct port back into the room if you wanted to do that, if you didn't have any outside. Then they got a couple more here, smaller ones. They got one here for like fibers. Then you got a air filtration system for your shop, so to catch your fine particulates and all that stuff. And then this one here would be suitable for like, what, just a single unit?
Up to 900 by 600 table size.
Okay, so your like your Nova 63s, your Nova 14s for Eons, the bigger machines. This would be perfect for that. And then they got, I think, another level up from that between that one and this one here.
So we have two more in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
So yeah, it's pretty cool. They got the electrostatic plates that just wash off with water, dry them off, put them back in, you're good to go. So yeah, just wanted to show you what they had here. Give a little update. We can actually break it in here. Here we go.
Yeah.
Take a look at it.
So this is electrically compliant. We put a lock on the door so that people can't get in there that might have kids or staff that shouldn't be.
And these are US compliant as well, right?
Yes.
Okay.
100%.
Yep.
So heavy duty wiring weight, the correct colour for our standards.
Yeah, color coded. Everything's nice and neat.
And then inside,
And then there's all your
brains.
filtration. You got your electrostatic filters,
ESTAT,
carbon filters.
5 UV filters, 2 ion filters. This is 9 active carbon filters. Plus we have another active carbon filter here that I took out. And then we have the side active carbon filter, which is a big carbon block, as well as pre-filter. And then we have 3 pre-filters on the back. So this is mid-range filter and then final filter in the back.
Awesome.
And that's pretty much how it all works here. And then the fan sets on the bottom. This is 1.1 kilowatt, and we have 2.2 kilowatt in this configuration. And then we have 3 kilowatt and 4 kilowatt for bigger units as well. So,
Awesome.
so they're really good. And we put them in, and there's just no smell. The one, this has got 9 plus a carbon at the back.
Yep.
The one we put in hands where we couldn't smell anything, just had a simple 6 kilo carbon in here, and there was no smell on that. So there's nothing. You can get back in the room safely.
Yeah, it's yesterday, and it's almost like it smelled the fumes coming out of it. You couldn't smell any of the exhaust, but you could smell like it smelled like a hospital. I mean, it's just so clean. The air coming out of there is amazing. Because like I said, they got the ionization, so you know, obviously that kills a lot of the odor too. And then the UV, which kills any bacteria or something that might be in the materials that you're cutting the wood or plastics or things like that. It might have some bacteria in it. The UV helps kill that. Also helps with the smell and stuff. But yeah, so I just want to give you an update. We'll have more on that, I'm sure, in the future. So hey everybody, so we're back from Apple Air, taking a look at what they have over there. Like I said, the air filtration system for your laser systems. They got some stuff for printers that they're working on, and so they're gonna have a lot of stuff available, and eventually, hopefully, they'll come to the U.S. With it once they get everything ironed out and everything's good to go and they're satisfied with it. Then they'll probably end up bringing it to the U.S. to not really compete, but offer a different solution, maybe a cheaper solution in many cases for things laser related and otherwise. My main interest for it and looking at it, one, Gary's a buddy of mine, known him for a while, but also this is something new that he started up, and you know, I think it has a good use in the U.S., especially with a lot of people doing stuff from home and, you know, living in neighborhoods and worried about exhausting outside and things like that. You know, from talking to them, getting some information, most of these systems, the consumables are anywhere from probably $500 to $1,000 a year in replacement filters and things like that. And a lot of it, they have the washable filters for the main filter, and then obviously carbon filters, things like that. But you're only looking maybe $500 to $1,000 a year in consumable costs through the use of them. Very low maintenance, very simple machines. I mean, I think it's got a control board, a power supply, and a motor. That's really, I think, the gist of the electronics and stuff. So it seems like it's pretty simple, easy to take care of, low maintenance. You got a lot of literature on it. What is it? Apple Air .au.com.com.au. So it's appleair.com.au. You can check out what they got there, and see if there's something there that might work for you. At least give you something to look at compared to what's out there now. I know I've seen some stuff. A lot of people talk about the BOFAs and things like that, but they're much more expensive. They may be a little bit better, I don't know, but the cost, the overall cost of running the equipment is triple, quadruple, maybe even more a year to operate the system. But like I said, once I find out more information about it, I get my own, I get to looking at it, testing it out, see what it's all about. I'll definitely share that information with you because it's something I'm interested in for sure. Not that I need it. I mean, I have a use case for it for like my print room to catch the fumes from like my DTF, my UV printer, and then also the fine particulates that come with that as well, which is, I was looking at the air filtration system for the shop there. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and hopefully this video was helpful, give you something to look at and, you know, consider in the future if it's something you're looking for. If you want to get a hold of me, I can either find out some information for you, or you can look them up on appleair.com.au. And you know, this is not a sponsorship, not paid for it or anything. It's just, you know, like I said, Gary's a buddy of mine, known him for years, and just figured I'd take a look at what he's got, and it seems like he's got something pretty legit. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated, and maybe it's something that can help you guys out. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.